So today I've got something a little bit different for you. Weaver's got something coming out in the next few months, and we want your help with it. That, and we're doing a giveaway. That's coming up. Hello everyone, my name's Daniel Reeks. This is Weaver Leather Supply. Today, we're asking for your help on a new project that Weaver has asked me to head up. And what we're going to be doing is over the next 12 months, we're going to be producing 6 new kits for you. And we want to know what it is that you're interested in. Yes, we can do wallets and belts and all that kind of stuff, but we can also do some other really out of the box kind of things. And we want to know what you want those 6 kits to be. Now, currently, Weaver's got some really cool kits on the website. In fact, we used one of them a few months back to do that American flag roper wallet, that one. And, it was a lot of fun. It turned out amazing. And we want to know what it is that you're interested in over the next 12 months to us adding to that collection. Maybe it is a wallet, but you've got a unique twist that you would like to see on that particular wallet that you think others would like too. Well, that's something that we definitely want to hear about. Now, don't go run to the comment section just yet and start typing. We're going to tell you how the giveaway is going to work and what you need to do. It's super simple. So how is this whole thing going to work? Well, the first thing that we need you to do is to go to the comment section and leave your suggestions there, the suggestions you think would make a good kit. But here's the really important part. Let's say that you have 5 different ideas for 5 different kits, right? Well, we need you to leave one comment for each of the 5, because what we're going to also do is we're going to ask everybody that leaves a comment to scroll through the comments and the recommendations, look to see what other people have suggested, and then click on the ones that you think would make a good kit. So what this is going to do is it's going to tell us if 500 people click on this one particular one, that tells us that we probably want to turn that into a kit. So every suggestion that you have needs to be a separate comment, and then go through, look at the other suggestions that other people have made, and click on the ones that they've made that you also think would be a good idea. Now, from there, the suggestions that we actually turn into kits, if you're the first person to make that suggestion, then what we're going to do is when we turn it into a kit, we're going to give you a free one. It's that easy. So we are always listening and reading the comments because we want to bring you the products and the content that you're looking for. But this time in particular, we're really paying attention. We want to see what kits it is that you want us to create over the next 12 months. So make sure you go to the comment section, leave your suggestions, vote for the other ones that you think are a good idea, because we are reading, we are looking, and those are the ones that we want to bring to you. So that's going to do it for this video. I will see you in the next one. In the meantime, go make something amazing.